around the clock in Ciudad Juarez. One emergency call follows another, and police rush to the crime scene. This man in agony is waiting for medical help after being attacked with a lead pipe. Around the same time, gunmen storm a funeral home, killing the owner, his son, and a friend, and wounding others, apparently because they refused extortion demands. A few hours later at this hospital, gunmen entered the emergency room and killed 2 wounded patients who'd arrived minutes before. The list of violent attacks goes on and on in this border city. A man shot dead in a parking lot. A couple inside their car. 11 people dead on Monday, and on Tuesday, 10 more.
During a period of 40 minutes, we've gone to 2 different locations and seen 3 people dead. That was before noon. And now police are responding to yet another emergency call.
The body count is adding up at a terrifying rate. More than 6,000 dead in Ciudad Juarez in the last 4 years. President Felipe Calderon still won't admit defeat in his war on drugs. At a security conference, Calderon said the number of killings isn't a sign that the government is losing the war on drugs.
The number of homicides or the level of violence is not necessarily the best indication that they are either advancing or going backwards, or that the battle is being won or lost. It's an indication of the severity of the problem.
But many people in this city say the president is out of touch with reality.
It is obvious that Calderon is saying one thing and the reality is another. We're falling in a deep hole with so much violence and deaths. Everyone knows that. The situation is now out of control.
There are too many dead and there is too much insecurity. The president may say many different things, but actually he doesn't live here.
Calderon says most of those killed are connected to drug trafficking. But 28-year-old Sene Niño Cruz was a police officer shot dead in the line of duty. His family, like so many others here in Ciudad Juarez, is paying the highest price for this war on drugs. The daily death toll is not just a statistic. For the relatives of murdered police and civilians, it represents their loved ones. And they say the government can only claim victory when they no longer have to mourn the dead.